Dyson Ball Animal has the strongest suction of any vacuum. Its self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adjusts to seal in suction across all floor types. And its brush bar digs deep into carpets to remove more dirt. Radial root Cyclone technology helps remove dust, dirt and allergens from your home. And with whole machine HEPA filtration, no other vacuum expels cleaner air. It rides on a ball, which means it steers smoothly, turns on the spot with a simple twist of the wrist and cleans along edges with ease. With a wand and hose that release in one action, the Dyson Ball Animal is easy to use for cleaning up high, and extra tools clean dirt and hair from awkward places.
This is our SEB 236, very similar to our SEB 228 in both performance and functionality. However, the 236 has some beautiful design elements and some convenience features that you have to see in action. All right, girls, give me some room to work. Scoot, I'll feed you later. Go.
The SEB 236 has an elegant LED headlight that will assure nothing will escape. The SEB 236 has an automatic standby switch. By simply lifting the handle, the power nozzle will automatically turn itself off. I then simply remove what's in the way, release the handle back, and the power nozzle will automatically start. Now, if I accidentally vacuum something that I shouldn't, it's not a problem. The SEB 236 will automatically turn itself off. I simply hit the reset switch, and back to work I go.
The following program is a paid advertisement for the powerful Kenmore intuition.
What are you doing?
Time to empty out the dust cup from my bagless vacuum.
Seems a little over the top. Really?
Can't be too careful. There's gonna be a dust plume. Stand back. Told you.
Not a complete seal, is it? The Kenmore Intuition has a patented allergen seal bag with no-touch disposal. See?
No dust plume?
Not a bit. That's a complete seal.
I'll trade you vacuum.
No thanks.
I'll throw in the glove and the mask.
That's okay. And you paid how much for that experience?
For years, bagless vacuums have been keeping a dirty secret. When it's time to empty, the secret comes out. The plume.
It's like totally gross and it's like dirty dust everywhere.
The dirt ball.
The bagless vacuum just creates this cloud of dust right in your face.
The mess.
As careful as you are, it still provides a big cloud of dust.
And when it's time to empty, disgusting. And over and over and over.
I don't like taking it to the trash can, and when I'm having to empty it, I feel like it poops right up into my face.
But that's all in the past. Introducing the amazing Kenmore Intuition, the revolutionary, powerful, lightweight upright vacuum with a complete allergen seal system featuring no-touch emptying, no more dust plumes or cleanouts, and no mess. When you're ready to empty, it's just push and release. That's cleaner cleaning.
You don't really touch the bag, you just simply press the button and it comes right out.